Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Hydrocarbons burn to create carbon dioxide and water, but finding the right formula is fast if you know the secret ratio. Let us solve this. Start by looking at the combustion products because the problem says we have equimolar amounts of carbon dioxide and water. This means the ratio of carbon to water is exactly 1. Since every water molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms, an equal molar ratio means there must be twice as many hydrogen atoms as carbon atoms in our original unknown hydrocarbon compound formula. We need a formula where hydrogen is double the carbon count. Only choice C fits the specific 2-to-1 ratio. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing. Trust the given molar ratios to find the right answer.